Udimi solo ads review and tutorial. Guys, in this video I will show you how to use Udimi to drive really high quality traffic, very targeted traffic to your affiliate offers, especially if you're working in affiliate marketing and make money online, network marketing, personal growth niches. So let's dive in. So as you can see, we are on a Udimi website. Udimi actually allows you both to sell traffic and to buy traffic. I personally both buy traffic from Udimi from time to time and sell traffic on Udimi from time to time because I am also a traffic vendor. You can find more about me using the website, which is called ginasoloads.com. Okay, but today we're talking about Udimi. So what I would recommend you to do if you want just to start working with Udimi, how to find the best sellers. Okay, so first of all, what you should pay attention to. Okay, first of all, you will not find prices lower than actually 40 cents on Udemy C, but the difference is starting from 40 cents per click and up to 95 cents per click. Well, it doesn't mean that if the guy sells traffic for 95 cents per click, the traffic is good, okay, is really good. But still, what you need to pay attention to is this, see, 50% people are getting sales. So let's take a look at this, guys. Angelo. So Angelo's selling at 0.79 cents per click. Okay, and what I would recommend you to do is go down and see how often he sells and how often people are getting sales. So for example, as you can see, today is 11th of October and the last purchase was on 7th of October. See, thanks, I got conversions with this sale and will be purchasing again from you. Thank you again, got sales. Okay, this guy, okay, actually this guy didn't get a sale. This guy, Brent Monester, got one sale, two sales, 217 visitors, 59 subscribers and 2 sales. Okay, so as you can see, 3rd October, 4th October, 7th of October, and from these 3 solo ad runs, okay, people, 2 of the buyers got sales, so this is actually a good sign. Okay, now, so what I want you to pay attention to is price and actually how many, the percentage of sales. And again, another good feature is to see the percent of repeat orders from the customers. As you can see, 24% of the buyers who previously bought from Angelo come back to him. Okay, this is actually quite big, almost 30%. Yeah, almost third of the buyers actually buys from him. So this, what this means for you? This means that this shows to you that the guy is constantly working actually on his traffic. Okay, so let's try to find somebody for 50 cents per click. Okay, now again, got sales, see, 40%. So we have 2 guys, this one and this one. Okay, this is very cool, this is actually very cool. But what I would also recommend you, I will give you a little trick that you can actually try to find this seller not on Udemy. You actually can try to find this seller on Facebook. So for example, again, not everyone will actually reply, okay? But you can try to find the guy on Facebook and ask him for a deal, because Udemy charges 30%. So for example, if this guy is selling for 0.42, in reality he will only receive minus 30%. In reality he will only receive 29 cents in from this sale. So you can find him on actually Facebook and offer him a better deal, like 30 cents. Okay, I will buy from you 30 cents. Most of them will love it. But let's come back here again. So what we're doing, we're trying to find good sellers. So 30%, 20% sales is okay. 50 also okay. You can use 45. Okay, so this guy order I know personally, really cool traffic, really good guy. Matija Balantic, I know personally, really good traffic, really good guy. This guy I don't know, but probably good traffic as well. Luis Martel, I know personally, really good traffic, because this guy works with CPA offers for years and he makes a lot of money from CPA offers. And actually, as you can see, he doesn't sell a lot here. Okay. But the idea is that you can get in touch with him, and if he agrees, he will send you traffic. So another thing is that, again, Matija you can find on Facebook, order you can find on Facebook. Another thing is that you may not even give them possibility, give them your tracking link. You can use simple tracking from Udimi, because Udimi actually has filters. But please don't try to use a lot of filters from Udimi, because most of these people will refuse to work with you, to sell you traffic, if you will try to use Udimi filters, because I am telling you, like a Udimi vendor, that filters simply kill in our business, because they usually filter really good high quality traffic as well. So we simply lose our money like vendors. Okay, so don't use anymore, just use basic filter from Udimi. Okay, so now as you can see, you can choose niche. Okay, but again, in most cases, these people are working in actually make money online, network marketing, and so on. There are people who are telling you that they are using also, they have list for health, but if you ask me, I don't believe it. So usually this is a regular make money online actually list. So again, what you need to pay attention, like I told you, that the pricing, guys, you will get actually access to the same lists for 79 cents per click or 40 cents per click. So just try to spend your money wisely. Okay, what I would do, let's say I would actually simply, let's say if I would buy 900 clicks, I would buy 300 clicks from different vendors, and I would just see the results. Okay, whether you get sales, the opt-in rate. So the main actually thing which you need to pay attention to is your opt-in rate. Okay, so the opt-in rate, if the opt-in rate is low from the guy, okay, from the traffic vendor, which this means that his list is very old. And if the guy has very old list actually, and he constantly sends traffic clicks to this list, okay, he constantly asks his people, his subscribers, to watch new offers. This means that they will not actually buy, because they are tired already of all this. Okay, so again, not every one of these people who are looking like stars are great. I will not be in a position to say something bad about any of these guys, but I just wanted to warn you that if you see that the guy is number 1 or number 2 on Udemy, doesn't mean that he really gets good sends good traffic. There are some tricks which actually vendors use to get those good testimonials and even sales testimonials from Udemy buyers. Okay, they offer you some incentives and so on. Some of them may not even send traffic to you, but still it's a very safe way to buy traffic from Udemy. Okay guys, I would also love to actually invite you to Gina Solaets. Gina Solaets is my personal traffic.
If you've been around internet marketing for even just
one, you can actually take a look how I make money with traffic, which traffic I use, and you can actually see my results. So for example, one of my best months was almost 4K using both affiliate marketing, traffic from my affiliates, like you see here left side. This is where I sell my personal my personal digital products using affiliates, but I also get like probably 30% from this amount of simply selling different offers. My traffic is also good for CPA marketing, as you can see. You can do launch checking with my traffic. I quite often when I send traffic to promote new launches, I quite often have a position on the leaderboard as well. As you can see here from the Wood Islam, you can find testimonials about my traffic and so on. And later you can go to actually buy traffic, and you will see the traffic packages. But also what I would actually love to say you about is that you can use actually I use ClickMagick to track my traffic, and you can expect this kind of quality of traffic quality when you buy from Gina Solar Ads. So do you need to use actually tracking software when you use Udimi? Guys, actually you don't need to use tracking software, but if you're serious about making money online, if you're serious about making this like a business, okay, so you will need eventually you will need to use tracking. So the earlier you start using tracking, the faster you start getting understanding of how the business works and how which traffic is quality, which vendor is good for you, which vendor is not very good for you. So start using ClickMagick or QLiker to actually track the links. Okay, so here again, let me say that this is probably it. So if you will actually start monitoring this thing, you will see that there are probably around 30 people who are constantly buying traffic, and there are around 30-40 vendors, probably even less, around 20 vendors, traffic vendors on Udemy, who are constantly selling traffic. So all these guys are professionals. So anyway, you will get some good traffic. But again, if you want to you need to decide which one of them is best for your offer, for your affiliate offer. So another thing which I actually don't like about Udemy is that Udemy doesn't allow you to post links which are leading outside of Udemy. So most of these people, if you will try to chat with them on Udemy, most of them will and you will ask, for example, give me your Facebook or give me your blog or website and so on. They will refuse to give you your link because Udemy is monitoring this, and Udemy doesn't allow us like a traffic vendors to actually Udemy simply doesn't want us to work outside of Udemy. Their goal is to keep good vendors inside of Udemy and to offer their service to people who would like to buy solo ad traffic actually. Okay, so Udemy is number one in this. Okay, this is like a traffic market, okay, where you can find different solid vendors. But again, don't be in a position to expect to diversified offers, because most of these people they are like for 2, 3, 5 years in this business, and most of their lists are actually old. Okay, but still, if you need to test your affiliate offer fast, this is the fastest way. You can simply buy traffic from different vendors, okay, and you will eventually start building your list, grow your list, and later, using your follow-up letters, you can make sales. Okay, the position to expect sale from the first from the first run, when you just send traffic to your solo ad vendor list. Okay, this is a wrong position. You should not expect to get sales like this, because actually those people who open their emails, okay, they simply don't know you, they don't trust you yet, they don't know the offer yet. So better get as much as possible new subscribers and use your follow-up letters to work with them, to persuade them to buy, to say how this offer will benefit for them and so on. Okay, so guys, this is it. Here again, if you need traffic, also contact me. Go to ginasolayads.com. And also, if this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give me some comments, likes, and I will see you later.